Welcome back to Crafted Technology, where we break down computer applications so they are easy and practical. In today's video, I'll show you how to zip and unzip folders in Windows 11. Now, before we dive in, let us quickly explain what a zip file is. A zip file compresses data, reducing its size and grouping multiple files into one. This makes it easier to upload, email, or store large folders. Now let's get into the video. Let's start with how to zip files. You can zip multiple files or you select the exact files that you want to zip. Now if you want to zip multiple files, you can click hold and select all the files that you want to zip, or you select them one after the other by pressing down the control key on your keyboard and then select the exact files that you want to zip. Now, once the files are selected, right click on those selected files. Now you would see compress to. Now take note, this is for Windows 11. If you're working with Windows 10, you would see at this point, you will see send to. Okay, so it works the same way. You see send to. Now for Windows 11, you will see you need to go to compress to. Now you see this options comes out. Please choose zip file. Now allow the system to compress your file. Okay, now once the files are compressed, you will see that folder showing you that it's been zipped. You might now decide to rename the file as you want. We can call this practice. Okay, now that is the file that we have just zipped. Okay, right. Now I can also decide to zip individual files. Now the same thing that applied to you zipping multiple files is the same way you're going to do for individual files. Now if I want to zip this particular file, I need to right click on it. Now go to compress to, and then I click zip file. It's just the same process. Now that is it. That is to zip a folder or a file. Now the next one I like to show you is how to unzip a folder. What you need to do is just to hover your mouse to the folder that you want to unzip. You can see this folder is zipped with that tiny zip sign there. Point to the folder, right click on it. You would see extract all. Click on that. Okay, now you can decide to choose where you want your folder to be extracted to, or you can leave it as default. So I'll click on extract. Now we have extracted our files. I would like to close this. Now if you look over here, you would see that we have unzipped the folder. Here we have the unzipped folder, and that is the zipped folder. All right, just like I explained to you how to zip multiple files, you can zip a folder. Now you can see this folder here, it's unzipped. All right, now to zip this folder, I just need to hover my mouse to that folder, right click on it. Now point to compress to, and then go to zip file. Then I'll allow the system to zip the folder. All right, so you can see here, because we do have that before, he renamed it and called us practice 2. Now it's that simple. Now that's it, quick and easy. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Drop a question if you do have anyone, drop comment if you do have anyone. I respond to them all. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.